Next exercise 2.1, fifth question. Add. First one is 2 by 3 plus negative 4 by 5 plus 1 plus negative 2 by 3 plus negative 11 by 15. Write down the solution. Write the question. 2 by 3 plus negative 4 by 5 plus 1 plus negative 2 by 3 plus negative 11 by 15. First change the sign. Positive into negative, negative. 2 by 3, negative 4 by 5 plus 1. Here positive into negative, negative 2 by 3. Next positive into negative, negative 11 by 15. Next here 1 is the natural number. So convert it to rational numbers. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 11 by 15. Here check the denominator. Denominator is different. So taking the LCM. Here LCM is 15. Take the first value. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 equal to 15. In 3 tables, how many times we will get 15? 5 times. Multiply 5 numerator as well as denominator. 5 to the 10. 10 by 15. The next value is 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. In 5 tables, how many times we will get 15? 3 times. So multiply 3 with numerator as well as denominator. 4 3s are 12. 12 by 15. Next 1 by 1 is equal to 1 into 1 15. In 1 tables 15 times. The answer is 15 by 15. The next value is 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into 15. 5 times. Multiply 5 with numerator and denominator 10. Here 11 by 15 is already the denominator is same. So you can substitute the values to the addition form. 2 by 3 value is 10 by 15. Here positive into negative, negative. 4 by 5 value is 12 by 15. 1 by 1 value is plus 15 by 15. Next negative 2 by 3 is minus 10 by 15. The next value is negative 11 by 15. Now check the denominator is same. So taking the common denominator 15, the numerator is 10 minus 12 plus 15 minus 10 minus 11. The answer is negative 8 by 15 is the answer. Homework sum, fifth question. Add 5 by 8 plus negative 8 by 9 plus 0 plus negative 13 by 3 plus 17 by 24. This is the homework sum. Exercise 2.1, sixth question. Find the additive inverse. The first one is 2 by 3. Solution. The additive inverse of 2 by 3. What is the additive inverse? Additive inverse means the positive value changed to negative value, the negative value changed to positive value. Here 2 by 3 is a positive value, it's changed to negative 2 by 3 is the answer. Homework sum, sixth question. Find the additive inverse. First one is negative 3 by 17. Second question negative 7. Third question 7 by 5. Next exercise 2.1, seventh question. Are the following rational numbers positive or negative? The question is negative 3 by 9. Solution. Negative 3 by 9 is a negative rational number. Because here 3 is negative. So the rational number, hold the rational number value is negative. Next homework sum, 7th question. Are the following rational numbers positive or negative? The first one is negative 2 by negative 7. The second question is 11 by negative 23. This is the homework sum. Next section is 2.4. Properties of multiplications of rational numbers. Properties of multiplications of rational numbers are similar to the properties of multiplications of integers. The first property is closure property. The product of two rational number is also a rational number. If a and b are rational numbers, then a into b is also a rational number. Example, a is equal to 2 by 3, b is equal to negative 5 by 3. Write down the solution. First write the property a into b. Substitute the a value, 2 by 3 into b value is negative 5 by 3. Here the first step is multiplying the numerator values, 2 into negative 5, negative 10. Then multiply the denominator value, 3 into 3, 9. The answer is negative 10 by 9. The second property is commutative property. Two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. If a and b are rational numbers, then a into b is equal to b into a. Example, a is equal to negative 1 by 2, b is equal to 2 by 3. Solution, first write down the property. Here property is a into b is equal to b into a. This is LHS is equal to RHS. First write down the LHS. LHS is a into b. Substitute the a value, negative 1 by 2 into the b value is 2 by 3. Now you can multiply the numerator values to numerator values. Negative 1 into 2, negative 2 by denominator values 2 into 3, 6. Now move to the RHS. B into A. Substitute the B value first, 2 by 3 into A value is negative 1 by 2. Now you can multiply the numerator values, 2 into negative 1, negative 2 divided by the denominator, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. The third property, associative property. The product of three or more rational numbers does not depend on the way the rational numbers are grouped. If a, b and c are rational numbers, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Example, a is equal to negative 1 by 2, b is equal to 2 by 3, c is equal to 1 by 2. Solution, first write down the property a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. This is LHS is equal to RHS. First write down the LHS. A into b into c. Substitute the values of a, b and c. Here a value is negative 1 by 2 into b value is 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. First priority goes to the bracket values, so you can multiply the bracket values, grouped values. Negative, the numerator value is negative 1 into 2, negative 2 by 2 3s are 6 into 1 by 2. Now you can multiply these two values. Negative 2 into negative 1, negative 2, 6 2s are 12. Negative 2 by 12. Now move to the RHS. RHS is a into b into c. Substitute the values. Negative 1 by 2 into the b value was 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Negative 1 by 2 into, first you can find the values of brackets, group values. 2 into 1, 2 by 3 2s are 6. Now you can multiply these two values, rational numbers. Negative 1 into 2, negative 2, 2 6 or 12. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.